Hello guys, welcome back. Andito tayo ngayon sa American Ranch Seafood Market with Lotong Bahay inside. We're gonna have lunch today, so let's go check it out. It's our first time here, so let's see what they have inside. Ayan guys, American Ranch Seafood Market, Lotong Bahay, and there's a restaurant inside, so let's go check it out. Inside the restaurant. Ayan guys, dito tayo sa Lotong Bahay, American Ranch. Bagong bukas ang restaurant dito. Mga Lotong Bahay, ang dami. Lots of food. Lotong Bahay. First time dito guys. Oh. Here. Let's go look their food. Marami silang food dito. Ano? Daming food. Tinuguan. Ang daming masarap na pagkain. Mga Lotong Bahay dito sa Roscoe Boulevard next to Seafood City. Ayan. I get this one. Seafood. I like seafood. Ayan. Daming pagpapilian. Ayan, dami. Ate, magkano pag 2 choice? Oh. Depende sa ulam ang 2 choice. I'm gonna ask her how much for the seafood and then this one. Guys, this is our lunch today here. I have biko. My husband got a barbecue chicken. I have and vinegar. Open my I have seafood, one choice. Everything is $31. This is $4, one slice of bacon. Mine's $30.99. The model. Seafood, yan, one choice lang. $14 na. Ayan guys, dito oh. Lotong Bahay, American Ranch with grocery store inside. Mamaya magtingin-tingin tayo ng groceries dito. Kain muna tayo guys ng lunch. See you guys later. Ayan guys, tapos na kami mag-lunch. Ito, ang daming mga halo-halo products. Ayan. Gawa ka ng halo-halo. Ayan guys, magtitingin tayo dito. May magic sarap. Fish. Ayan guys, mga seasoning here. I wanna get some miso soup. I get miso soup for my soup. Ayan. Get miso for my fish. Sinigang. We don't have a lot of stuff here. Over here lang. Tingin tayo guys. Here's the meatballs. Some yum. Dito pala yums. Here fish balls. You can fry the fish balls. How about sauce? Kikiyam. Yeah, kikiyam here.
Spread it outside the hole.
Yeah, get some kikiyam, guys. You don't have any baskets? Let's try the kikiyam. How many po? That's a lot of carbs. I got some fish balls. Yeah, get some fish balls, squid balls. Oh, there's a lot of carbs. Try to avoid the carbs. Fish ball na lang. Parang fish ball. Ayan guys. Fish ball. Get some fish ball. Let's some hot dogs here. Avocado? 99 cents? For the avocado. Get some here. Some tocino. Ayan guys. Daming mga Filipino product here. Food, lumpia, ayan, marami. At Mars lang obi. sweets. Siupaw. Siupaw. And ice cream. Ang dami. Ito na lang bilhin natin, guys. Ayan. Ayan, maraming crackers din dito. Filipino products, Skyflex. Iba't ibang klaseng chips dito sa Lutong Bahay, American Ranch with grocery and Lutong Bahay inside. Ayan, guys. Dito sa Roscoe Boulevard, malapit sa Seafood City. Ayan. Here's some Skyflex. I'll get some Skyflex. Some Skyflex here. Cracker sandwich. Ano kaya masarap na Skyflex? Get some Skyflex, love. $1.99. Oh, but condensed smell. No? Okay, ayaw niya. Wag na lang. Tara, mabay na tayo. Ayan, guys, ang store. American Ranch Seafood Market. Lutong Bahay. Yeah. Dito, guys, sa Roscoe Boulevard, right? Ka-open lang nila. Ayan, dito. Pasok na tayo, guys. Uwi na kami. Ayan, guys. So, that's it for today's video here. Just stopping here. Lutong Bahay to have lunch. And we're going home. Thanks for watching, everyone. Come check it out. American Ranch Seafood Market. Lutong Bahay in Roscoe Boulevard, close to Seafood City. Right, love?
Yes.
Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye na.
Bye.
Adios.